Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start now, open the phone app and go straight to the voicemail tab. This checks whether visual voicemail is available. If it is, you'll see a message list. If not, you'll call your carrier's voicemail by long pressing 1. Make sure you have your voicemail PIN handy because you'll need it when prompted. Do this to confirm which interface you must use, since the next steps differ, visual controls versus the carrier menu, so you don't waste time guessing. Once you're in visual voicemail, play the message to ensure you're deleting the right one. That prevents mistakes. You can tap the trash icon or long press the specific message to see delete. Select it and confirm when prompted. Deleting here removes the file from your phone and signals the carrier to clear that slot, which usually stops the persistent notification. Make sure to refresh the list afterward so you verify the message is gone and your inbox count updated. If visual voicemail isn't available, call your carrier voicemail by long pressing 1 and enter the PIN. Listen for the prompts and choose the option for saved or new messages. When the message plays, press the prompt number for delete. Do not hang up until you hear confirmation. Once done, hang up and check your phone app for cleared status. If deletion doesn't stick, reboot the phone, then call your carrier to request a mailbox reset. That usually resolves stuck notifications.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.